In this video, we're showcasing 20 impressive woodworking tools that can upgrade your workshop and improve the way you build. Let's jump right in. Woodworking Bench Vise. This compact woodworking bench vise is made from durable beech wood with a smooth, natural finish. It provides strong clamping power for stable chiseling, planing, and sawing, while its portable size makes it easy to carry and mount on most work surfaces for convenient two-handed work. Cabinet Hardware Jig. This cabinet hardware jig is made from durable ABS with a stainless steel ruler for accurate, corrosion-resistant use. It includes drill bits, a center punch, and replacement parts, and is suitable for precise drilling on cabinets, drawers, shelves, and hinges. Electric screwdriver. This electric screwdriver features a smart display for torque and battery status, 6 adjustable torque levels, and dual-speed control for precise or fast work. It includes 30 premium bits stored neatly in a compact triple-layer case. T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure. The T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure offers contractor-grade accuracy with a replaceable blade, built-in measurement memory, and a green laser guide for precise alignment. Rugged and job site ready, it also connects to the Rock app for easy sharing and collaboration. Electric Hand Planer. This cordless, brushless hand planer delivers 15,000 RPM power with an 82mm planing width and precise depth adjustment up to 2 mm. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it also features a dual-switch safety design for safe, controlled operation. LaserPecker LP2. The LaserPecker LP2 is a portable, high-speed laser engraver with upgraded Galvo technology for precise detailing. It supports flat and rotary engraving on materials like wood, leather, paper, and coated metals, and connects easily to a smartphone or PC. Table saw. Crosscut sled and drop-off platform. This table saw crosscut sled provides smooth, accurate crosscuts and miters with a stable phenolic base and precision fence system. The optional drop-off platform supports offcuts to reduce splintering and deliver cleaner, more consistent cuts. Silicone Brush. This glue application kit includes an original fast-cap glue-bot bottle and reusable silicone brushes for smooth, controlled, and mess-free glue application. Designed for woodworking and DIY projects, it prevents drips and clogs while ensuring efficient, clean, and long-lasting use. Carpenter Square and Center Finder. This compact Carpenter Square and Center Finder combines measuring, marking, and angle layout in one tool. Made from durable anodized aluminum with clear engraved markings, it offers accurate multi-angle precision for woodworking and DIY use. Countersink Drill Bit Set. This 15-piece Countersink Drill Bit Set features nitride-treated high-speed steel for durability, precise depth control, and clean drilling. Designed for efficient pilot holes and professional countersunk finishes, it's compatible with most hand, bench, and electric drills. Convertible Miter Table Saw. This convertible miter and table saw combines both tools in a compact design, ideal for small workshops and DIY use. It cuts wood, plastic, and metal with a single blade, offering accurate miter and bevel adjustments along with built-in safety features for clean, reliable cuts. WorkIQ Tools Vise. The WorkIQ Tools Vise features a durable steel and aluminum build with 360-degree articulating positioning and quick locking. It delivers up to 130 foot-pounds of torque and secure gripping on flat and irregular materials with dual-sided jaws. Bushcraft Settler's Tool. The Wayland Outdoors Settler's Tool is a lightweight bushcraft auger that drills a 1-inch hole and cuts a perfectly matching peg. Made from high-carbon steel with a pass-through handle, it includes a leather sheath for easy carry. Home Repair Toolkit. This 226-piece home repair toolkit features durable, chrome-finished steel tools neatly organized in a sturdy carrying case. Designed for DIY and household repairs, it includes a wide variety of essential tools with comfortable soft grip handles for reliable, everyday use. GOINGMAKE Dowel Jig Kit. The GOINGMAKE Dowel Jig Kit enables quick, accurate drilling of aligned dowel holes for strong joints. With hardened steel bushings, repeat stops, and a quick clamp system, it's ideal for DIY and professional woodworking projects. Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. This mini table saw features adjustable blade height and a 0 to 90-degree cutting angle for precise and safer cutting. It includes 4 interchangeable blades, making it versatile for cutting wood, plastic, metal, PCB boards, and other small DIY and craft materials. Engraving Pen. This engraving pen features a built-in LED light and a 3-speed motor for precise engraving on glass, metal, wood, and plastic. Lightweight and ergonomic, it is USB-C rechargeable for cordless use and includes 26 accessories, making it ideal for DIY projects, crafts, and personalized creations. T-Bevel Gauge and Protractor. This digital T-Bevel gauge delivers quick, accurate angle measurement with a clear LCD display, easy locking, and level bubbles for added precision. It's a reliable, time-saving tool for clean layouts and accurate cuts in woodworking and DIY projects. Cabinet Clamps. These cabinet clamps simplify face frame installation by tightening, aligning, pre-drilling, and securing stiles in one step. They include built-in drill guides, protective felt pads, and a storage case, and are designed for strong, precise clamping on cabinet stiles up to 1 1/4 inches thick. Moisture Meter. This moisture meter quickly detects dampness in wood, drywall, and building materials to help prevent mold and water damage. It features a backlit LCD display, moisture level indicators, and stainless steel pins for accurate readings, making it ideal for home inspection, repairs, and DIY projects. Those were 20 woodworking tools worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and keep creating great projects.